Hello, I'm Chris. In this video, we're going to have a look at the most common problems people have with bay parking. The aim is not only to reverse within a bay, but to do it safely. The good thing about this manoeuvre is that if it's going wrong, then you can just pull forward, correct it, and then reverse back in. Knowing when to actually start steering into the bay is probably the hardest part. If you turn too early, then you'll end up over the lines. Turn too late, and you'll overshoot the bay you wanted to go in, and again finish over the lines. As long as you realise it's gone wrong, then make sure it's safe, drive forward, and correct your position to then reverse back in. Although it's not ideal, you won't fail your driving test if you finish at a slight angle, as long as you're within the bay. Once you're in the bay, and you feel your car is straight, then straighten your steering. But don't rely on what the steering wheel looks like. It might look straight, but it doesn't mean your wheels are. You'll be able to see which direction the car's going by looking out the rear window. Once you've finished, secure the car, and then you can open the door to check you're within the lines. But don't finish like this. To make the manoeuvre easier and safer, you'll have to make sure that you reverse slowly. If you're driving a manual car, then good clutch control is essential. Avoid rolling in a direction you don't intend to go. And don't reverse like this. Reverse too far into the bay, and you could hit something behind. But if you don't reverse enough, then the front of your car will be sticking out. I know when to stop reversing as the end of the bay disappears into the bottom of the door pillar on either the passenger or driver side. Reference points do vary though, depending on the car you're driving and your seat position. Ask your instructor to show you a reliable point when to stop. And lastly, but extremely important, are observations. You're in a car park that might have pedestrians around and other vehicles manoeuvring, so keep a lookout. Before you move off, observe all around and signal if necessary. All-round observations including the rear window before reversing. Stop and observe again before steering into the bay. This is when the front of your car will swing out, so make sure it's safe. Observing behind and all around the car. If another vehicle or pedestrian approaches, then stop. If they're waiting for you and it's safe, then continue. That's the end of our video on the common problems people have with bay parking. If you want to see one way of bay parking correctly, then have a look at our other video. There's a link in the description below. As usual, thanks a lot for watching and hope you found it useful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do, as it helps us to make more videos. Stay safe on the road and see you on the next video.